Have you ever speared a big fish from the surface before? I just did that, and here is the story. I was diving in the beautiful waters of northern Norway, and suddenly I saw a big pollock from the surface. This fish was around 5 kilograms, and I knew that I would have to be quick if I was going to have a chance to get it. Somehow, I managed to get its attention by using my left hand to make some movement for the fish to become curious, and at some point in time, the fish was close enough for me to take the shot. I got the fish on the spear, but it swam straight into the kelp forest and entangled itself. I had to dive into the kelp and take care of the fish and ensure that it would not make any more mess. And a couple of dives later, I was able to cut the fish loose and get it back home to make some delicious seafood. If you take good care of the fish, this will make the absolute best seafood you will ever find, and we love to share these kind of adventures with other passionate people. As you can see, the kelp forest is healthy and strong, and you don't want the fish to get entangled too much in there. So a good advice to prevent that from happening is to be quick and get hold on the line after spearing the fish, and to try to force the fish to swim towards the surface instead of the bottom. If you want to join us for a great Nordic spearfishing adventure in the future, let me know. We would love to see you catch some big fish and share the experiences with you.